brand, in the majority, has helped us with some back office support. So that's in terms of setting us up with an e-commerce license for one of our regions, which has been a good start for us. E-commerce is the platform where it allows a customer to easily book a carpet clean or any other service that we provide out of business hours. They don't have to religiously stick themselves to a 9-to-5 environment. They can, whilst watching their favourite soap or sports programme, be able to book a carpet clean or additional service with ourselves. Well, I see us as a business having more employees, having more locally based customers. The digital revolution, we feel, is helping with the app and the technology, which allows us even better facilities to offer that service in terms of a residential cleaning.